If you have $10,000 in a savings account at 0.5% interest, inflation is costing you $500 every year. It sounds alarming, right? Let's break this down. Savings accounts offer low interest, often under 1%. But inflation? It steadily rises, eroding purchasing power. This gap hits your hard-earned money. You think you're saving, but actually, you're losing value. For example, your $10,000 today won't buy as much next year. Each year, inflation silently steals from your balance. To keep your money growing, consider smarter investment options. Don't let your savings fade away. Subscribe for more insights on money management.